You are a pretty big fool.
Very cool.
Alright, Remington Nature Center.
We'll see some nature.
Here we go, guys. Check this out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whoa.
There's a little... He's ready for St. Patrick's Day. That is huge.
Look, that's real. That's a real moment. 25,000 BC. Oh, a tooth.
Yeah, there's more over here in this case. Long time ago when you guys first opened.
She said we did, but I don't remember.
Oh my god, that's cool. That's funny.
Thank you.
This stuff is real. Mammoth hair. That is a funky looking tooth. Never seen a tooth like that.
Wow. Maybe it didn't originally look like that. It's probably very, very old. Wow.
That thing had big teeth.
This is all woolly mammoth stuff here.
Yeah.
Different parts.
Oh, we're little birds.
Tap on the glass.
Oh, they are so cute. There's their little nests. Oh, that one's pretty. Look at that. He's colorful.
There's a whole bunch inside there. See them?
Oh, yeah. They're trying to hide. This is what you'll find in the Missouri River.
But way bigger.
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
Oh, there's one. Look up there.
What?
Look by the top of the water.
I thought they liked the bottom. Or their face was
He's
flat.
a baby one.
Yeah, he's tiny. You caught one 5
Yeah.
times bigger than that one.
Look at that. Oh, he looks delicious. Big fat bass. That'd make a good meal right there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that bass. That's way bigger. Oh my god. This is where I seen barbed wire. Where did we...
On Pickers or something. One of them shows.
Yeah,
the guy was
somebody
buying
collected it.
There's
How it's
so many
changed
different
through the
ones.
years.
It's all got different names.
Yeah, different
They're all patented.
cattle ranches had their own kind of barbed wire they'd make themselves.
Yeah.
Put around
But
their
some
property.
of these are patented.
Wow. See any that are like really neat that stand out?
They're all weird.
Don't even look like sharp barbed wire, some of these.
Look at some of these. Look like nails thrown.
It's crazy.
Whoa, look at that. Looks like Sandy. It does.
It does. Rawr. He looks mad. That looks like Annie. Sitting there. Oh, possum.
They're getting closer. They're in Missouri.
They're in southern Missouri.
We are up here, about right there.
That would scare me to death if I was out in the park eating, having a picnic or something. Glad we ain't got any of those. Those things are pretty scary too. Still got some of these around. Bobcats. Looks like Chloe. Yummy.
Good meat.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Those two. Gobble gobble. Not real pretty.
These guys are chilling.
This is cool. There's an otter eating them up some, what are those called? Freshwater clams, yeah. Raccoons, see them in the yard once in a while. Big old snapper turtles, those suckers are mean. That big old beaver. He's got a big old house with a snake on it. There's what their cozy little home looks like inside. Not too shabby. They're sitting pretty cozy. Ooh, pretty rocks. Wow, those are gorgeous. Agates. These are called agates.
Agatized?
Wild.
Like petrified, I guess.
That is so pretty.
Hey, check this out. It's the water's journey. Watch. You ready?
Wow.
This is St. Joseph. To show you what the water does.
It's running down the crops.
And all the excess flows out to the river. This is the river.
Ooh, look at the snake skins.
So cool. Yeah, that's a snake. I've never seen snake bones like that. That is so weird.
Very weird. This is the Native American. Different tools that they've found here along the river that they've made. Lots of arrowheads.
Look at the old money. Man.
That was money?
Look, what if that was still, what if that was
Oh my gosh,
what
look
if
how
that was,
big that is.
what if that was a quarter today?
Yeah.
If you had to go wash your car, it'd be like 20 pounds worth of quarters.
Oh my gosh. Here's the buffalo.
The bison.
Bison.
Bison is a buffalo.
I don't know if they're two different species or not. Ooh, you can see what their fur feels like.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's soft.
yeah, it's pretty soft. Weird. We're going back through time.
Yeah, he's chilling. He got his coat on, he got a fire going. He's been eating good, look at all the bones.
Yeah, he is. He knows how to hunt.
He's making tools. He's actually wearing some clothes.
This is a shaman. Medicine man. Go to him if you need some advice. He'd help you out. What's she doing over here? Got her hands awful dirty. Making clay pots. Same way we still make clay pots. They gonna make some tortillas.
Sweat lodge.
She was given permission to speak with her medicine man. As she learned their rituals and customs from him, an unusual friendship formed between Mary Alicia and the entire tribe. In 1882, the Sac Fox Indians surprisingly adopted her into their tribal membership, and she was
Wow.
allowed to join their secret societies.
And now we're in a, hey, St. Joseph, the Rubidoo is what I was trying to think of earlier. Kevin had us. He said, this looks like a pretty good town. I'm going to set up shop. Beads and bracelets and pipes.
Neat.
Yeah. It's their tent. Looks pretty cozy. Kind of soft.
Town. Joseph Gazette, established 1845.
William Reidenbaugh publisher.
Dr. Silas McDonald, since 1838. It's all this doctor stuff.
Oh my gosh.
He's going to doctor you up real good.
Look at that big syringe. That looks pretty scary.
This was the general store. Yeah, a little bit of everything. Tools and nails and... Oh, there's the saloon.
Well, you better not go in there.
Red bar saloon. Whoa! Going in, I'll be back.
Yeah.
Chop my head off with
Look
that.
where you can take a hot bath.
Only 10 cents. Huh. How do you fit in there?
You can just squat in it.
Squat in it and rinse.
I guess. Ooh, there's that big old boar. Thing's freaky looking.
String. Well, up here you see how heavy just that little piece of that string track is.
Is it pretty heavy?
Oh yeah.
Let me try.
I'm using leverage. It's probably 50 pounds, 100 pounds.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Yeah, that's heavy. What does it say?
You guys used to have to lift them.
That little piece is 44 pounds.
Wow.
One little section.
That's crazy. It's a big old stack.
Engine number 35. Number 35 used to run to Texas from Missouri,
Wow.
Sedalia, and St. Louis.
I'd push just about anything off the track gets in its way.
Oh,
Bird's eye view of the city of St. Joseph in 1868.
wow,
That was pretty big in 1868. Look at all them houses. Wow.
Spread out.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks. Wow, that was the Remington Nature Center. That's pretty neat. Alright, so I don't know what we're going to do now.
I'm gonna go relax a minute. I
We've
don't
just
know.
got done walking and eating, and
Yeah, I'm stuck.
I'm kind of tired. I think we're going to go take a little break.
Shut the buffet down.
Yeah.
We cleaned them out. I did my best.
Alright, well, we'll see you on the road, guys.